Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moon. I'm back again with another YouTube video. So it's currently Saturday, January 17th, 2026, 4:24 p.m. So I'm giving you guys a trade recap of the week. Honestly, there's not much to talk about. If you watched my previous video, you already know what happened. But in this week, I only took one trade, took it on Tuesday, held this trade from Tuesday to technically Friday morning, got stopped out. Yeah, price literally didn't move. Like, okay, let me show this. So this is a trade. So I chose this trade on NZDSD. I took this sell to the downside, and let me break it down real quick. So coming into the markets this week, I'm looking to sell. Why am I looking to sell? Weekly, we are bearish. We have shifted structure. Daily, we are also bearish. We have to shift the structure to the downside. On top of that, and the 4 hour is bullish actually. So don't mind me. Hold up. So on the head and shoulders pattern, daily, we shifted bearish. On top of that, we have a head and shoulders pattern on the daily right here. Let me break it down to you. And I should probably make a video on like chart patterns, right? I should probably do that. I think I will. So price made a head and shoulders pattern on the daily, broke the neckline on the head and shoulders, and now pulling back to retest. So coming to the markets this week, all I needed was price to pull back here, give me an entry signal to sell to the downside down here, because I'm looking to sell. And honestly, going into next week, I'm looking to sell as well. Unless price closes above, then I'm looking to buy. But let me explain this. So then, coming to the market on, what day is this? Tuesday, yeah. So let me actually replay this and I'll show you what I was looking at. So Monday's candlestick opened up like I wanted it, pushed all the way up here. I'm like, cool, pushed a little deeper than I expected, but it's all right. So price did that. Then cool. Went down to the came to the market, so I didn't take a trade on Monday. Tuesday came to the chart. What was I looking for? I'm looking for price to have a massive rejection from here. Now, this is what Tuesday's candlestick did. Tuesday's candlestick had a massive bearish push to the downside. Didn't close below here, but it had a massive push. Now, this is all right. Like, I wouldn't mind this. What I really wanted was literally this price action right here. So blue candlestick, doji, push to the downside. This price action right here that we got right here, I wanted this right here. If I gotten this right here, easy trade. But price did have a massive push like this. So now I come into the market on Wednesday morning. What am I looking for? I'm waiting for price to just have a quick pullback to retest the structure point and then sell to the downside. So came to the market Wednesday morning. Let me actually do this. Came to the market on Monday morning, and I actually drew this up on Friday because I was trying to do whatever. That's fine. Came into the market Wednesday morning. Price made a beautiful order back on the 30 minute actually, yeah. So on the 30 minute, it looks clean on the 15 minute as well, but I prefer the 30 minute. So literally all I needed was price, because price hit this structure. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour is bullish, but daily is bearish, weekly bearish. So now I'm like, okay, cool. Price already made a beautiful order block. What do I need? I need price to pull back to the order block. Price pull back to the order block. What do I need? A rejection to sell. 15 minute, tapped into the order block, gave me a nice rejection right here. Decent evening star pattern. 30 minute, I didn't really care about the 30 minute, but a 15 minute close like this. Once the 15 minute close, I just kind of stake. I was entering the thing on my MetaTrader. By the time I entered the trade, price was down here. Now, I will say that one thing that I did differently than I would do normally is I didn't wait for price to pull back to this order block to sell from it, because technically I didn't have to do all my other trades. Like once price gives me the interest, the evening star pattern or the morning star pattern, I could take the trade right where it gave it to me. But what I would do is I would do a sell limit at the start of the order block, because price sometimes would pull back to the order block again, retest it one more time before push to the downside. I didn't wait for this time. I just took the trade and let it do its thing. So I took the trade right there. Stop loss normally will be above this highs right here, but I give price enough room in case price wanted to do shenanigans. And as you're about to see, price did do those shenanigans. Price had a massive retracement up here. If I put my stop loss right here, just slightly above, we would have lost this trade. But put my stop loss, I get my stop loss extra room, and it's 24 pips. I should have done 24 pips, but I did 24 pips, which was all right. Now, I didn't realize this order block was here till Friday, and I was like, okay, why is price? Because price came back and stopped me out, retested this order block, and kept pushing. I'm going to show that in a little bit. But I was like, oh, okay, I probably should put my stop loss above the structure point, but it happens, right? You learn. You live and you learn. Anyways, price did a bunch of shenanigans on Wednesday. Wednesday's candlestick didn't really push too much. So I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. It actually closed bullish on Wednesday. Then Thursday's candlestick opened up, same thing, barely had any movement. Where's it at? Hello? Wednesday's candlestick opened up, had to push to the downside all the way down here, but then push back up and close like this. Price just consolidated on Thursday. And then eventually Friday morning, Friday night, like in the middle of the night, early morning, well, like 1 in the morning, price came back and stopped me out. And then when I came to the chart at like 6, like I usually do, price was having a reaction from this structure point and had to push to the downside. So yeah, it was on Friday that I realized, oh, there's an order block right here. Price came back, filled the orders in that order block, and now it's pushing to the downside. So I guess I could have been more careful with that. But overall, this is a good trade. I followed my trading plan. I was disciplined, did what I was supposed to do, did all that I could have done. I'm not in control of the markets. I'm gonna let the markets do their thing. Also, if you're watching this and you're like, oh, Mo, you're a little ashy or pale, hey, don't mind it, man. I just did a face wash. What do you call it? Like, I forgot what the word is, but don't worry about it. Anyways, that was it. GPUSD, again, I was looking for the sell this week to push from down here. Price did give me exactly what I needed, but didn't give me an interest in those, so I could not have taken this trade. But overall, the move happened. I just needed interest in them, didn't get the interest in them. It's all good, it happens. ADUSD, price, literally, this pair was just doing shenanigans this whole week. Like, what? Monday's candlestick, push up. Tuesday, push down. Wednesdays, didn't do anything. Thursday, push up. Friday, push down. Like, come on, bro. Literally, look at it on a weekly. Literally didn't move. It literally stayed in the same spot. But it is what it is. It happens, right? I'm still looking to sell. Like, price, same thing as NZDSD. Price is making a nice head and shoulders pattern. And it's about to break this neckline to sell to the downside. So, again, just waiting for that. EURUSD, price had to push a downside. Price didn't give me the pullback here, but kept going to the downside, broke this structure point. So yeah, USD CAD price had a decent push to the upside. I was looking for the retracement here to buy. Price didn't give it to me, but it's okay. USD JPY price actually gave me a nice price action. So coming to this week, I wasn't sure what to do, either buy or sell, because we were at this structure point. And if you're going to weekly, we're at the highest point we've ever been in a while. And every time price comes up here, obviously sometimes it breaks above, but it also oftentimes has a rejection. So I'm like, okay, cool. I could be looking to buy, but I also could be looking to sell. But I'm actually okay with what price did this week. Now here's the tricky thing. Coming to the market next week, I could be looking to sell because price gave me a nice inverse pin bar pattern. So now this week's candlestick can open up, have a quick reaction to the upside, and then dump, sell to the downside like it's done multiple times. Or on the daily, it is bullish, and weekly it is bullish too. But I'm just looking to sell because we're at all-time highs. Price could be looking to sell down. But if you go on a daily, price broke above this structure point, had a nice pullback to it. So literally next week we can be looking to buy. I'll wait for Monday's candlestick to give me like a doji candlestick, and then Tuesday looking to buy to the upside. That simple. So yeah, and then USD CHF, don't really care about this one right now. I needed to break above here for me to be focused on this. So coming to the markets next week on NZDSD, I'm still looking to sell. Price is still below the structure point. Now that I'm looking at it, I do like how the weekly did have a pullback and retested the zone again and actually closed here. So coming to the market next week, opens up, quick retest to the upside and then dump to the downside. So I'm still looking to sell. But I'll update you guys in the next video. So stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Trust God through it all, right? Like, I took this trade, right? It says in the word, Proverbs 16:33, the lot is cast unto the lot, but it's every decision is up to the Lord. It's every decision is up to the Lord. So God is in control of it. I did my part, show up to the charts, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and that's all I can do. God will handle the rest. So have faith, have trust in God, and put the work in. Yeah, put the work in. Remember, the magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. So stay focused, disciplined, stay consistent, and God bless you. Amen.